It is the highest building overlooking the courtyard, taking an east-west direction in a longitudinal way as all churches. It is meticulously constructed building. We note the frescoes on some of its walls. Among the buildings overlooking the citadel courtyard, there is a hall for metalworking, a hall for tanning leather, a hall for ovens, kitchen, restaurant, mortar stores, halls for soldiers, and stables for horses. There is also the Ottoman complex, which includes several rooms. There is a set of cellars in the citadel. Al-Marqab citadel is located on the top of a volcanic mountain, 370 meters above sea level, 5 kilometers away from Banya city and 2 kilometers from the seashore. It has a triangular shape with an area of approximately 60 acres. It consists of a double wall, one of which is external with 14 circular and rectangular towers, and the other is internal with a corridor separating them. Because of its impenetrable position, it was able to control the old coastal road of Antioch, Tripoli on the one hand, and the old internal roads leading to Qadmous, Mصياف. It has a triangular shape with an area of approximately 60 acres. It consists of a double wall, one of which is external with 14 circular and rectangular towers, and the other is internal with a corridor separating them. Because of its impenetrable position, it was able to control the old coastal road of Antioch, Tripoli on the one hand, and the old internal roads leading to Qadmous, Mصياف. It is divided into two parts, an outer fortress that includes residential buildings and an inner fortress that includes a group of defensive buildings. They are fortified with towers, the top of which is the main tower, or the dungeons, or the Tower of Hope. These towers control a large area extending to all directions, equipped with archers' windows. From the eastern side, traces of a deep trench appear around the outer wall. The inner fortress is located on the southern side of the triangle of the citadel and is separated from the outer one by a wide water channel from the northern side of the inner fortress. From the southern side, through the tower of the main gate, we enter the inner fortress and the outer castle, which is the most important building in the citadel, and it forms the link between the inner and outer walls. It consists of 2 floors with a defensive rampart. It is distinguished by its height and the thickness of its walls, which are 5 meters. The fortification quality emanates from this side, as it is less steep than the rest of the citadel sides. We find in it the main courtyard surrounding its hall and its buildings. It has a church and other halls.